Hi everyone! Do you like onigiri? Here I'm going to share with you 6 delicious rice bowl recipe. Everything is super easy, so please watch this video until the end and tell me which is your favorite one. Also, please see the description for the detail of ingredient. First, let's cook salmon. Spread parchment paper on a fry pan and bake salmon. Please sprinkle a little salt on it. Pour sake if you have one so that it can remove the fish smell. When it's cooked through, flake the salmon. Another ingredient is shiso leaf. Wash well and wipe the moisture off the shiso. Cut it into fine stripes. According to your preference, use other green vegetables instead of shiso. Prepare steamed rice in a bowl. Add salmon flake, white sesame, and shredded shiso. Sprinkle more salt as needed. Mix well and make a rice bowl. First, let's prepare edamame. I use this frozen one, so need to defrost in the microwave. Take the beans out of the pot. Next, shred the bacon and bake it crispy. Prepare steamed rice in a bowl. Add edamame beans and crispy bacon. Add salt as needed. Mix well and make a rice bowl. First, mince the onion. And slice the sausage. Stir fry them in a fry pan. Use a little oil as needed. Add corn. Add ketchup, stock cube, sugar, and salt. Mix well. Make sure to remove the water from the ketchup. Prepare steamed rice in a bowl. Mix well and make a rice bowl. First, stir-fry green onion with sesame oil. Add sliced sausage, chicken stock powder, sake, salt and pepper, and soy sauce. Mix well. Transfer to the bowl. Prepare a clean fry pan. Make well-cooked scrambled egg. Then mix it with the sausage and green onion. Prepare steamed rice in the bowl. Add the mixture of the egg and sausage. Mix well and make a rice bowl. First, remove plum seed and mince it. Dice the pickled radish. Prepare steamed rice in the bowl. Then add salted plum and pickled radish. Mix well and make a rice bowl. First, dice the sweet potato. Microwave it at 500 watts for 5 minutes. Prepare a fry pan. Put sugar, soy sauce, mirin, and sake. You can use only salt if you want. Warm up and melt sugar. Then add cooked sweet potato. Mix well. Prepare steamed rice in the bowl. Add the sweet potato and black sesame. Mix well and make a rice bowl.